हाय एवरीबॉडी वेलकम बैक। तो आज शुरू करते हैं अपना 15 तारीख का हम लोग बिजनेस स्टैंडर्ड न्यूज़पेपर। दिस इज़ द फ्रंट पेज ऑफ टुडेज न्यूज़पेपर, सो आई थॉट आई मस्ट पुट इट इनसाइड द वीडियो. So we can see that indices dive 3% as a fear of Russian invasion. We have seen that investors lost a lot of money from not in the India but outside the India. Almost all the exchanges were in red and there were huge loss for the investors. It was really a Monday mayhem. So good news for Vedanta as it signs joint venture with Foxconn for manufacturing chip and electronics equipments plants in India. Mark my words that one day Vedanta will become L&T and it will reach like L&T. So it's a good move for asset monetization by Niti, who is going to push for the GST waiver on asset transfer. We know that Air India is now under the hands of Tata's. Now it is going to be executed by ex-Turkish airline chief, who is very much bullish and going to invest $200 million in their platform. So it's a news after the issue happened in Gurgaon, where the sixth floor broke out somewhere because of the issue with the construction and structure. So now you can get ready for the structure audits, and there are some certain parameters which are mentioned in the screen. You can look over it. So there are certain provision for ensuring your structure and your construction and your home too by opting some insurance policies. So here we are seeing that RBI Deputy Governor is saying that banning crypto most advisable choice. Here are some figures where we can see that it reaches from 20 billion to how 1.98 trillion, and what are the other percentage and what are the other factors. This move could be a little bit not up to the mark for those who are really interested in cryptocurrencies. Demand for the business hotels and business meetings is now again boosts after the pandemic level. A concept called second home is introduced after work from home concept that makes second home trendy in nature. Most of the builders and developers are trying to introduce more leisure projects for their clients. So Swissquote orders Deutsche Telekom to size Airport Authority of India dues, which was pending since long. Xiaomi is ready to plan for focus on 20 to 50,000 range of mobile phones. Hiranandani Group eyes consumer tech play with 3.5 thousand crore investment. That is good for the news. Ashok Leland's look to raise 200 to 300 million dollar. News from Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Now those companies who are doing CSR, corporate social responsibility, now they have to submit a report for their CSR so that database can be accumulated and be created so that it could be easily traceable now. News is that Karnataka High Court strike down state law banning online gambling. It's good for the gamblers. So what Finance Ministry is saying, he's saying loan to the ABG fraud, which has just yesterday came to limelight for rupees 22,000 crores. ABG shipyard turned NPAs before 2014, as per the statement of Finance Ministry. We can see that Coal India Q3 net profit 48% to 4,558 crores. Real inflation breaches RBI tolerance, which is 6.01% in January, and core inflation is around 5.82%. So your new Sudoku is here, and the result for your yesterday's answers is also attached. We can check out the Indian B schools fall into FT's Global MBA ranking 2020-22, ranked 32nd globally, and ISB we can see that. If you are a crypto investor, then you can have interest in this news where triple digit rewards of staking offer respite to crypto investors. You can see the AMD purchases Xilinx for $50 billion, and SIA chip sale hit around say Y21 to growth 8.8% this year. G22 won on spillover from rate tightening in the key meeting. And tension between Ukraine and Russia still persists. Russia open for diplomacy as Ukraine hints at concession. Crude oil threatens to worsen inflation hit, crosses $100. Check out some deflation outlook on cooking gas up in the air column. You can check out over here.